What's up, guys? I haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, which is kind of sad because that was just my first video. But anyway, today I got my Jeep shirt on, I got my working shorts on, and we're gonna go install a truss on my front and rear, and hopefully maybe some gussets in the sleeve too if we can get around to it. But let's load everything up in the Jeep and get ready to go. So before we load these up in the Jeep, I'm going to show you what I got. We got some Artec gussets, Artec front truss. This one has to be welded together, obviously. And then here's my rear truss, which is already kind of pieced together, but still needs to be welded together. And then I also have a Synergy sleeve right here, some RCV seals, and yeah, that's about it, just miscellaneous other stuff. But yeah, let's get this stuff loaded into the Jeep. Let's do this. Before we get over to my buddy's house so we can start welding, I have to head to Home Depot so I can pick up some MAP gas and some welding wire. So we'll see you there. Say hi to Todd. And Todd's LJ. We'll show you that later. There's my Jeep. Todd, you weld better than me, yeah?
I hope so.
Oh God. So we got to take out the rear axle, take the wheels off, jack it up, take everything off, take the rear axle out, and we're going to put the rear truss on today. And then hopefully tomorrow, when my wife goes to work, it's really bright out. Tomorrow when my wife goes to work, maybe we can put on the rear, or on the front.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe.
I forgot that tomorrow's Sunday.
Yeah, and I have Monday off.
Oh, I don't.
That's lame.
Yeah, it's,
That's not going to be able to lift up my Jeep all the way, bud.
Do we need to chalk your tires?
The fronts, probably. Quick update, we got the calipers off, they're hanging up on the frame, got the wheels off obviously, so now next thing is going to be upper and lower control arms, shocks, and drive shaft after that, and after that the axle should be able to slide right out. A little bit later, and we have the axle fully disconnected, just sitting on a jack stand on the yoke. Oops. A jack stand sitting on the yoke, and then the jack itself holding up the diff. But as you can see, it is fully disconnected all the way across. So, all right, let's pull this thing out and weld on the truss. So we got the axle out, marked it up, and started grinding, cleaning it up. He's got to go back through on a couple different areas, but Todd's gonna weld it up.
Well, we're gonna try.
Try. That's right. But it fits nice. If you're looking for a truss, I recommend it's the Artec rear truss. It is nice. So let's get to welding, Todd. truss welded up. It's on the axle. Right now I'm just letting it cool slowly. So I'm taking a thermometer, which is in my pocket. But I'm taking this thermometer and I'm putting it on the truss, and I'm measuring the truss. So the truss is about 145 right now. The diff itself is about 165. So then I'm just taking some MAP gas and heating it up so everything stays at a very even temperature and cools evenly the whole way around. You could wrap it in a welding blanket and let that cool, but that takes about 12 hours to do and you have to leave it all night. This method takes about 20 to 30 minutes. You just gotta watch it. Let's let it cool. So we got the axle painted and back under the Jeep. I'm back home now. I had to shut off the camera a little bit because it was getting pretty late and it takes a long time to film. But we got the rear axle back in. So let me show you what it looks like. If you can see that. I'll show you again tomorrow in the daytime, but yeah, I got the rear truss put on, everything's painted, looks brand new. Everything's back together. So that's the Artec Industries rear truss. But next video, I'm going to be installing the front truss, synergy sleeve, and the gussets, the C gussets by Artec as well. So stay tuned for that. I know it took me a couple weeks to post a video. I've been super busy at work, but you know, hey, it's life. But stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for watching. Comment, like down below, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.